Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Again, also here a coin which is ugly at the moment, quite ugly, and which isn't doing much at the moment. It's a quiet weekend, and we have two counts here on the chart. We've got the bullish count highlighted here in yellow, and we've got the bearish count highlighted in blue. So that's the question. We have key support here around $30, $30.50. Let me take that out. But around $30, $30.50. That is the from the larger cycle. It is the 88.7% fib level. So ideally, Solana doesn't drop below that. But also here on the lower time frame, just of that first wave up, that potential leading diagonal. This is the 78.6% fib level. Lot of confluence here between the longer time frame, the larger cycle 88.7 fib, and the smaller time frame, lower degree 78.6 fib. So key Fibonacci levels meet here, and they provide a lot of support. Again, you can see how relevant the fibs are. And it is not only that, we also had here similar support before, and now we've got it all the way here. Therefore, this level is holding for now, and that gives us the potential to follow through to the upside. You know, in the bullish count, we would say that that was a leading diagonal. We're coming down in the 2, and we're now moving up in the 3. The target for the wave 3, that is a bit of a hopium count, to be honest, because I don't have a lot of confidence into it. But that would take us to around $65 in a wave 3 here. Yeah. But for that to do that, first of all, absolutely that $30.50 level needs to hold, and we need to break above this high at around $39. If we get above that level, that would be a bullish signal and would make the bearish count much less likely. Problem in the bullish count, I explained it before, we have a leading diagonal here, less reliable. And the move up here is also very, very choppy. So I don't really have a lot of confidence into this. Could say here that, yeah, we completed obviously our wave our wave 2 here. Then this was a 1-2 setup, also here pulled back a lot, nearly invalidated it. And that's already a bearish signal actually. And then the choppy nature of this first wave to the upside within the wave 3, also not giving us a lot of confidence. But yeah, these are the key levels that we need to go through. As I said in the last video, we've got the 50-day moving average here that could provide some resistance. I think it is, as you can see here, that yellow line is the 50-day moving average around $34.60 now, provided resistance here and here. So that's, and also here, by the way. Yeah. So this is something that we need to consider. Yeah. So a move above that would be a potentially bullish signal, plus then the move above the $39 level. Looking at the bearish count, we can very well say that we came down in a wave 1 from the high. This was all a corrective wave pattern. Then we came down in wave 1, retraced in a wave 2. In this wave 2 retracement, we retraced perfectly to the 50% fib level, a perfect retracement for a wave 2. And then we are now heading down, possibly in another 1-2 setup, and we would be ready to roll over as long as we stay below $39. And confirmation that we go down lower would be a break below that $30.50, $30 level. And that is really what I can tell you here. The longer time frame or very relevant retracement area is up here around $48. We need to get above that level to be generally much more confident in a sustainable bullish breakout. That is very, very meaningful, that level. As you can see, since we've been below this level basically since May 22. And XRP made attempts to break it and failed various times. Here, this retest was bearish and we came down lower. Here we got rejected, and here, very strongly, by the way. So yeah, I think we're gonna make the attempt again in the near future, but we need to break this to get more confidence in a much more sustainable bullish breakout. So that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.